friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this Python interview questions videos, today we are going to discuss about 24th question. What is this question? How to create empty dictionary and a dictionary with one or more elements. Dictionary with one or more elements. Let us see how you can able to do this operation. See, I'm going to create one dictionary. D1 is equal to empty dictionary like this. And D2 is equal to, so I want to create one colon ONE1. Sir, is it empty dictionary and dictionary with one object or not? Yes, already in the last videos itself we have seen whenever you are taking empty flower brackets, by default it is going to consider in the form of dictionary only. If you want, you can check the output. What we are going to get here is nothing but dictionary, which is having zero number of elements, and in the next case dictionary with only one element. How to create a dictionary with more than one element? Same scenario like list. One colon, we are taking ONE1, and the second pair is nothing but 2 colon TWO2 and 3 colon THRE3. Like this we have. Now we are going to create another dictionary, okay, with more than one element. I want to run this. You can see. This is the way how you can create a dictionary with one element without any elements with more than one element. I hope you understood the way of creating all these list, tuple, set, dictionary with empty elements, with one element, with more than one element. These three are very important interview questions. Okay. Thank you, friends.